Hi there, this is Penelope from WellTech. This is a short video on the rules of precedence. It's the second in the video series, Basic Algebraic Skills. Okay, we know about BODMAS or BEDMAS or sometimes PEMA or various other acronyms, but what we need to know is that the same rules apply for numbers and letters. So, if we put in here which operations come first, it doesn't matter whether we're talking numbers or whether we're talking letters. Always, it's going to be exactly the same. So the rules that you learnt before, whether you had BODMAS, BEDMAS, it doesn't matter. The multiplication, division, those ones come first, followed by the addition or the subtraction, if you've already dealt with the brackets and you've dealt with any power. So it's exactly the same as it is with numbers. So if we had an example that said 8 times x times y minus z plus 2 times y times 7x plus z, we need to deal with the brackets if we can, or then deal with the multiplication in the order that we know about. Now there's nothing we can do in the brackets there, so we need to deal with the multiplication first. So that's this operation here. We could write that as 8x times y minus z plus 2y times 7x plus z. Plus z. And now we've got the distributive law, so we can get rid of that. 8xy minus 8xz plus 14, 2 sevens are 14, xy plus 2yz. And then we can tidy up, if we can, what have we got? 8xy and 14xy, so we get 22xy minus 8xz plus 2yz. And if we needed to, we could factorise a little bit further, but I've run out of space, so I won't. So it's exactly the same rules as before.